Pi Network Price Prediction 2023. Not simply because the cryptocurrency isn't yet listed on any exchanges, the Pi network is distinctive in many other respects as well. For starters, mining the Pi currency is not that difficult. The designers make the supposition that mobile phone mining is possible for cryptocurrencies. All you have to do is acquire an invitation from an existing, trustworthy member and download the Pi network app. But how does that build its worth? And what will be the future of the Pi network? Let's take a look at that in today's video. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note: we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. What is the Pi network? The Pi network project is divided into many stages. On Pi Day, March 14, 2019, Phase 1 began. Given that the network's identity is based on the number, it makes perfect sense. When there were 3.5 million active players, Phase 2 began a year later. The first Pi advertisements were released in May 2020 in order to fund the project. The Pi network is more than simply a program for mining cryptocurrencies. It is a network of connected services, including a prototype version of the Pi wallet that processes transactions in under 8 seconds. Additionally accessible is the Pi browser software, which enables developers to test and install decentralized third-party Pi programs. Although the majority of the crypto circle is hesitant on the Pi network, saying that it is a pyramid scheme, we have also made a video in that regard where we discuss the expert's view on the Pi network. So make sure to watch that one after this video. The link will be in the description. Despite the confusions, some features of the Pi network are significant, showing that it is somewhat trustworthy. Like, the Pi software is environmentally friendly and doesn't deplete your phone's battery, in contrast to other mining programs. Users vouching for one another helps it, as it works to protect its ledger. How does it work? Digital Cash Project Pi Network, making Bitcoin mining more accessible, is its key objective. The Pi network enables cryptocurrency mining using a mobile phone app, unlike Bitcoin mining, which has made it out of the price range of average people. One user is limited to having one Pi account, and the Pi core team receives 25% of all Pi coins. Pi may now only be used for trading, buying, and selling by people who are already a part of the Pi ecosystem, thanks to the project's recent development of a closed mainnet. To begin trading, one must finish the KYC verification process. You may get your Pi node right away if you have faith in the project's future and are encouraged by the pricing projection for the Pi network. Recently, there were more than 12,000 Pi nodes. Typically, within the first few weeks after such much-awaited projects are published on the cryptocurrency exchanges, their price soars. The market cap increases as a result of the increased demand when individuals rush to purchase the latest prospective big thing. Therefore, it could be fair to predict that the cost of the Pi network will go up. The price, though, often doesn't stay high for very long. Price prediction for 2023. According to CoinSwitch, the price of the Pi coin might rise to $20 in 2022 and $50 in 2025. Reddit community says that the Pi currency should have long-term advantages. By January 2023, the Pi network pricing may reach the desired level of $18. The Pi network, according to CryptoGround, has a bright future. By 2024, the price of the Pi coin might soar the $61.259. Using the growing trend of Bitcoin, CoinDataFlow predicts the price of the Pi network. According to this prediction, the price of the Pi coin will be $1.53 in 2023, $1.57 in 2024, $1.61 in 2025, and $1.65 in 2026. as on March 23, 2022, investors were unable to trade Pi. Long-term price prediction. The Pi coin will be a lousy, high-risk investment in 1 year, according to Wallet Investor. Based on the price increases of the most important social and technological developments like Facebook, smartphones, data, etc., the platform presents the following Pi network pricing projections. The price of the Pi coin is predicted by Wallet Investor to be $0.0389 in 2023, $0.0849 in 2024, and $0.354 in 2025. When individuals start selling their coins to make a fast profit, it often declines a few days following the first morning. Will the Pi network have the same outcome? Time will reveal. Investors couldn't exchange Pi coins as of 23rd March 2022. The Pi network's future will rely on how well liked it is by investors. The price of the Pi currency would probably rise immediately following the formal introduction and begin to drop quickly a few days later. By the end of 2022, the currency may be worth $2 to $22 per asset, based on the aforementioned Pi network pricing forecasts. As soon as the Pi coin begins trading on cryptocurrency platforms, its price may increase to $1. However, as the currency hasn't yet been released, it is hard to make any precise future predictions. As usual, investigate the market before making a decision. Always only invest what you can afford to lose. What do you think about the Pi network? Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.